Hello guys, this is how I actually change photos I generate with Bing Image Creator. They are in square form. Now I have to change it into a landscape so that they can fit the YouTube dimension of 16 by 9. Now, this is done on Capcut when I'm editing using its magic expand new feature. Alright, so I have so far finished this one. And I can as well show you how to animate it. So let me also do this one. This is another one I have just downloaded from Bing Image Creator. So let me click on it. I will have to select it. Then I'll scroll and I will look for the AI Magic Expand, AI Expand. I'll click on it. And from here, you enter the prompt, guys. On here, you can enter the prompt and I will say, expand. This is the prompt I usually use. Expand the image to a landscape mode, mode to fill the background. Expand the image to a landscape mode to fill the background. So I'll click on this tick icon, then I'll come here and select the dimensions of YouTube, which is 16 by 9. I'll click on it and then I'll click here on generate. Okay, then I'll click here on generate. So depending on your network, it should be done within 1 second, but my network here is a bit poor, so it will be slow. All right, so let me just pause. Once it is done, like reaching or generating to 100, I'll show you the next step and we shall be done. Here we go. Now it is on 99%. And it is about to generate the image. Wow, it has finished, changing the image into landscape. So click on this tick icon just here and on this one above. Wow, you can see. So use your fingers to expand it to fill the screen. Alright, so you can see. So if you want to animate it, scroll and backwards, you see, click on animations, then go to combo and go to zoom one. I like using this one, but you can choose any of your choice. Just look at how they are animating and click on that one. So when I click on this one, online communities, and one of them was Telegram. So let's create the second one. We'll go to this magic expand once again, and I will type the same prompt. Expand the image to a landscape mode to fill the background. Alright, so click on this tick icon, go to YouTube and click on generate, and it will start generating automatically. It's done. Now I can go to this tick and it is finished. You can also use your fingers to to fill the screen, all the background like this. Once again, go and look for animations, turn on it, go to combo and look for any animation of your choice. And I prefer this one, zoom one. Telegram. And I can click on it. And so I approached one of my friends. Or let me do the last one. Again, I'll go to AI Magic Expander, as that is the process I usually use. Go to AI Expander, type in the same prompt. Expand the image to landscape mode to fill the background. Then I'll go to YouTube dimension, click on generate, and to begins generating the image into a landscape mode. It's done. Click on the tick and this one above. Voila, it has already generated the image. Okay. Now, what about generating these images and you don't know the prompts to use? You don't know anything to do with the prompt engineering. All right, I use 2AI to generate these images that I use in creating my videos where it is necessary. And you want to know, right? So subscribe yes, or not only subscribing, but also turn on the notification bell icon. And the next, comment down below that you want to know such prompts, how I generate those prompts, how I use these 2AIs, and which 2AIs am I meaning, and I will create a video for you guys. Yes, soon it is loading, so do those two things, subscribing and commenting that you really want that video, and I'll bring it for you. Until next time, keep creating and winning.